and the rats. Once, there lived a herd of elephants in a deep forest. They used to go for a bath to a nearby river daily. Many rats lived on the same path the elephants used to walk. The rats were scared of the huge elephants. The rats requested the elephants to choose another path to the river. The elephants agreed and the rats were happy. One day, all the elephants were caught in a net laid by the hunters. They cried for help. The little rats heard their cries and went for help. They tore the large net with their sharp teeth. The elephants were freed and thanked the tiny rats.